Thailand, the land of smiles. From its pristine beaches to its lush jungles, ancient temples to bustling cities, Thailand offers a sensory feast for every kind of traveler. Whether you yearn for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Thailand has something for everyone. The allure of Thailand lies not just in its natural beauty, but also in its warm hospitality. The Thai people are renowned for their welcoming smiles and gentle nature, making visitors feel instantly at home. From luxurious five-star resorts to charming guest houses, Thailand offers a diverse range of places to rest your head. And in recent years, a new player has emerged in the hospitality sector, transforming the way people experience travel, Airbnb. But with this new wave of travel comes new considerations, particularly when it comes to the legal landscape surrounding short-term rentals. Airbnb has revolutionized the way we travel. No longer are we confined to the traditional hotel experience. Imagine waking up in a charming Thai house, the scent of lemongrass wafting through the air, or enjoying breakfast on a balcony overlooking a rice paddy. This is the allure of Airbnb, a chance to experience Thailand from a different perspective, to connect with local communities, and to create memories that are a little less ordinary. But as with any new phenomenon, it's crucial to understand the rules of the game. In Thailand, the legality of Airbnb is not a simple yes or no answer. So let's delve into the heart of the matter and shed some light on the legal considerations surrounding Airbnb in Thailand. At the heart of Thailand's legal framework for accommodation providers is the Hotel Act of 2004. This act, as its name suggests, was primarily designed to regulate hotels. It outlines the requirements for operating a hotel business, including licensing, safety standards, and tax obligations. While Airbnb itself wasn't even a concept when the Hotel Act was drafted, the law's definition of a hotel is rather broad. It encompasses any establishment that provides temporary accommodation for a fee. The key takeaway here is that if you're a property owner looking to list your property on Airbnb, you need to be aware of the requirements outlined in the Hotel Act. Failing to comply with the Hotel Act can result in hefty fines and even legal action. In addition to the Hotel Act, another piece of legislation that comes into play, particularly for those owning or renting condos and apartments, is the Condominium Act of 1979. This act governs the management and use of condominium buildings in Thailand. One of the key provisions of the Condominium Act is the requirement to obtain consent from the condominium's juristic person, essentially the building management, before renting out your unit. Many condominium buildings in Thailand have strict rules regarding short-term rentals, with some outright prohibiting them. Therefore, if you're considering renting out your condo or apartment on Airbnb, it's crucial to check your building's regulations and obtain the necessary consent before listing your property. Failing to do so could result in penalties, legal disputes with your condominium management, and even eviction. So where does this leave owners of condos and apartments in Thailand who are keen to tap into the Airbnb market? The short answer is, it's complicated. While technically possible to rent out your condo or apartment on Airbnb, the legal hurdles and potential complications can be significant. The first hurdle is obtaining a hotel license. This process can be time-consuming and expensive, and it's not always guaranteed that your application will be approved. Even if you do manage to obtain a hotel license, you then need to ensure that your property meets all the safety and hygiene standards outlined in the Hotel Act. Given these challenges, it's essential to weigh the potential risks and rewards before listing your condo or apartment on Airbnb. If you're not willing to go through the hassle of obtaining the necessary licenses and permissions, or if you're not confident that you can comply with all the regulations, then it's best to err on the side of caution and explore other options. For owners of detached houses and villas, the legal landscape surrounding Airbnb in Thailand is slightly less restrictive. Unlike condos and apartments, houses and villas are not subject to the same level of scrutiny from juristic persons or neighbors. This means that owners of these types of properties have more freedom to list their properties on Airbnb without having to jump through as many hoops. However, it's important to note that the Hotel Act still applies to houses and villas. Therefore, if you're planning to rent out your house or villa on Airbnb, you'll still need to obtain a hotel license and comply with all the relevant safety and hygiene standards. Additionally, as a house or villa owner, you have a greater responsibility to ensure the safety and security of your guests, as you're not operating within the confines of a managed building. This includes ensuring that your property is well maintained, that you have adequate security measures in place, and that you provide clear instructions to your guests on how to contact you in case of an emergency. Now, let's shift our focus to the renters. For those seeking a taste of Thai hospitality through Airbnb, it's equally important to be aware of your rights and responsibilities. Firstly, always verify the legality of the listing. Don't hesitate to ask the host for proof of their hotel license and any other relevant permits. A legitimate host will be transparent and forthcoming with this information. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the house rules and regulations. Be mindful of noise levels, especially during nighttime hours, and respect the property as you would your own. Thirdly, be aware of your rights as a renter. If you encounter any issues with the property or the host, don't hesitate to address them directly. The allure of easy money might tempt some property owners to forgo the legalities and rent out their properties under the radar. However, this approach is fraught with risks. The Thai authorities are cracking down on illegal rentals, and the penalties for non-compliance can be severe. For property owners, the consequences can range from hefty fines to imprisonment. For renters, booking an illegal rental might seem like a good deal at first glance, but it can quickly turn into a nightmare. Without the protection of a legitimate rental agreement, you have little recourse if things go wrong. Furthermore, illegal rentals often cut corners on safety and security, putting your well-being at risk. Operating within the legal framework might seem like an extra layer of complexity, but it ultimately benefits everyone involved. For property owners, compliance provides peace of mind and protects their investment. Compliance also contributes to a fairer and more sustainable tourism industry in Thailand. For renters, choosing a legal rental ensures a safer and more secure experience. By embracing legality, both owners and renters can fully enjoy the wonders of Thailand while contributing to a respectful and mutually beneficial tourism ecosystem. Navigating the legalities of Airbnb in Thailand might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some practical tips for both property owners and renters to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Seek advice from a qualified lawyer specializing in Thai property and rental laws to ensure you fully understand the requirements and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Stay updated on any changes in regulations or laws related to short-term rentals in Thailand. Be upfront and honest with potential guests about the legal status of your rental. Maintain open communication with your guests throughout their stay. Before booking, confirm the legality of the listing by asking the host for proof of their hotel license and any other relevant permits. Pay close attention to reviews from previous guests, particularly regarding the host's communication, adherence to regulations, and the overall safety and security of the property. Use secure payment platforms offered within the Airbnb system to protect yourself from scams or fraudulent activities. Thailand is a country with a rich culture and traditions. Be mindful of local customs and laws, dress respectfully, and be considerate of your surroundings. Thailand, with its captivating beauty and warm hospitality, continues to entice travelers from all corners of the globe. Airbnb offers a unique and immersive way to experience this enchanting country, but it's crucial to navigate this landscape with an awareness of the legal framework. For property owners, compliance is not just a legal obligation, but a smart business practice. For renters, choosing a legal rental provides peace of mind, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. By embracing legality, both owners and renters can fully enjoy the wonders of Thailand, while contributing to a respectful and mutually beneficial tourism ecosystem. By understanding and respecting the legal framework surrounding Airbnb, you can unlock a world of unique experiences and create memories that will last a lifetime.